Morning everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome to Elaine's Creations Facebook Live. I'm just gonna refresh my Facebook page so I can say hi when you comment. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. We had a nice relaxing weekend where we didn't have to do a whole lot, so it was really calm and relaxing and just rejuvenating. So it was really nice, and I hope you had a nice weekend too. So let me grab the prizes from back here, and I'll wait a little bit for everybody to join. And I've got some special birthday cards to show you today. I'm really excited. So we have this nice card right here, and an ice cream cone card, and a birthday cake card. So I'm going to show all of those to you. Good morning, Irene. So the raffle prize from last week is this beautiful notebook made with the Butterfly Beauty dies and the Silhouette DSP, and the winner is Sylvia Wilson. So Sylvia, send me your address and I will send you your prize. This next week's prize is really special. It is a kit of embellishments, the Share What You Love embellishments. It has all these laser cut tags or labels, and then some larger labels, and then some self-adhesive roses, silver roses, and some paper clips too. So please comment and share this video and you'll be entered into my raffle for this prize. All right, so let's get to the cards. This one. So these are the 3 cards that I am going to show you. I'm going to start with this card right here. And this one I love because it's going to make the recipient feel royal because of all the pretty crowns. And I just started with a Whisper White on the thick Whisper White, and I'm going to use everything here, Balmy Blue and Highland Heather. And I'm going to start with the crowns. So I'm just going to randomly stamp the crowns across the paper. One more over here. And then I'm going to add this little flower. I think that's good. And then we'll stamp "It's Your Special Day" on this label. So the stamp set that we are using is Wish For It All, and these are the dies, the doily wishes. They're beautiful. They have this beautiful doily and then the same design on the candles, the wrapper of a cupcake, and the ice cream cone. And then this is the label that I used right here. And then it's got these both 2 little cutouts for the little flowers and the crown. So it's a really nice bundle. And if you purchase this bundle from me today, I'm going to send you a gift from me. And I will also send you all 3 cards that I am making today. So there's "It's Your Special Day." I'm just going to get the little pieces out. So now we can adhere this, and we've got a little piece of vellum that I cut out. Vellum just kind of softens things. And it's nice because I'm going to hide the adhesive in the middle. You're not going to be able to see it. And Fast Fuse, kind of, you can't see the adhesive with Fast Fuse as much as you can with other adhesives. And I'm also going to do the Fast Fuse in the middle of the doily. It just makes it easy, and then offset the doily. And then we're going to emboss the Smile Beautiful. So I've got my embossing buddy. I usually forget that step, but this time I remembered. And got the stamp. And we're going to use Versamark. Hi, Fran. Good morning, Denise. So we'll do Smile Beautiful. And then we will use some white embossing powder. I've had this white embossing powder since I started with Stampin' Up 15 years ago. It's lasted me 15 years. And I've done quite a bit of embossing. Let's see. We'll heat this up. And then we just lay this down. So I'm going to let it cool a little bit. And then we'll put some dimensionals on this piece right here. So we'll do the Smile Beautiful. And then we'll do our dimensionals. And then we'll just tack that down. And there we have our first card. All right, so the second card is going to be the ice cream cone card. And I've got some shimmery white paper here. And I'm going to use Balmy Blue. And get the aqua painter ready here. And then open this up. Looks like I need some more ink. And then we'll grab some ink and just kind of put it on there. Maybe add a little bit more here. There. And then we will set this aside to dry. And then we're going to do some sponging on here. So I've got Gorgeous Grape. Can you tell I really love Balmy Blue and Gorgeous Grape? I just really like those colors. And then we're going to just daub around here. These two colors I wouldn't normally put together, but I think they're really fun, the Gorgeous Grape and the Terracotta Tile. I think they look really fun together. All right, So that's the gorgeous grape. Now we're going to do the terracotta tile. Leaving some white in the middle. I think that's good. And then this is pretty dry, so we can place this on the card. Tilt it a little bit here. And we'll add this piece about here. And then I have backed this cone with some crumb cake. Just cut it out. And then we'll do the ice cream cone. Then we can add some ribbon. I just put a pin in the ribbon to hold it in place. There. Sorry, grab some scissors. Just stick the pin right back in here. And then I'm just going to use the fast fuse on the ribbon. And then I need to poke out some of these little pieces from the doily. And then for the doily, I'm going to use the fine tip glue pen. And I'm just going to add a little bit. This one is the one that's not working very well. So I'm just going to use this one for now. Okay. And then we'll just tuck that in there and line this up. And then the last thing is to stamp the sentiment, "Happy birthday, you sweet thing." It's from another stamp set I'm forgetting the name of right now, with all the cakes and the cake punch. And then some fast fuse on this. I didn't even use any dimensionals on this card, but it still turned out great. What do you think? Ice cream cone cards. Okay, now the last card, I love this card. I love the colors on this card. Is really simple. We're going to start with the large doily in Grapefruit Grove. I guess I will move these so I have room. And then we'll stamp this a couple times. just going to fill it. I like this doily. Okay. Now we will stamp the cake with Calypso Coral. There's our cake. And we'll also stamp the sentiment, wish for it all. And then we can grab a sponge dauber. And we can add a little dot to the candles because they're glowing. And we'll adhere this little piece of old olive down. And then both of these are on dimensionals. Okay. This set is not only great for birthdays, but for any occasion. The doily could be used, and then you could cut off the flames on the candles and just do a line of this pretty design on your card. You could do just a nice fun girl card with the crown. And then I love this little sentiment that you could stamp inside, hoping your day gives you the best kind of memories. That's really nice. I really like that. Let's see. And then I just place this over the cake, wish for it all. And that's our third card. So for next week, I'm going to be showing you something a little bit different. I'm going to be using the Parcels and Petals bundle, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute box with the parcel dies, as well as the full box. Isn't that cute? And a card using the pigment sprinkles and the shimmery white paper to do some watercoloring. So make sure you join me next week to learn how to make these items. And so you can even, this is a swap that I got on the Greece incentive trip, and I thought it was so cute with the kiwis and the kiwi candy and the tag. It's just very, very cute. So I made my own little basket. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week. As always, please go to my website, estampin.com, to place your order or check out my blog. And I hope that you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Bye.